You think you're a savvy traveler. You book flights in incognito mode. You show up 2 hours early, but from the moment you walk into the terminal, you're stepping into a system of psychological tricks designed to manipulate you. What if I told you the carpet is a ploy to make you spend more? Or that the chaos at security is a strategic game? We're pulling back the curtain on 10 shocking secrets airlines and airports use to control your every move and your wallet. And wait until you hear what they're doing with your face. You're never going to look at flying the same way again. Secret 1. The carpet and scent spending trap. Ever notice how the flooring changes after you clear security? You start on hard, polished floors. Your roller bag makes that constant click-clack noise, keeping you in a rush. But the moment you're through, it switches to soft carpet. The noise fades, you slow down, and relaxed travelers, they spend. They also target your nose. Airports pump calming aromas like vanilla into retail areas. One study found that pleasant scents can boost spending by up to 23%. That sudden urge for perfume? It's not random, it's engineered. Action tip: trust your watch, not your senses. Stick to your schedule and your budget. Secret 2. The unavoidable duty-free maze. Why can't you walk straight to your gate? Because after security, you're funneled into a winding duty-free labyrinth. It's called a retail maze, built to maximize product exposure. The curves? They slow you down and hide the exits. Research shows people are 60% more likely to buy if they walk past something. Even the direction is planned. Most people with suitcases walk counterclockwise, so the layout bends left to feel natural. Action tip: look for gate signs. Ignore the path and walk straight through. Secret 3. The TSA security games. The chaos at security isn't just bad planning, it's a stress trigger. Long lines, shouting, the pressure to unpack fast, they spike your anxiety. Then, once you're through, relief floods in. And what do? Reward yourself. Designers call it the recomposition area, and it's no accident that it flows into food courts and shops. Action tip: pack for fast screening and bring your own snack. Don't let relief lead to retail therapy. Secret 4. The invisible hand of personalized pricing. Connect to airport Wi-Fi and you give up more than bandwidth. Airports use your phone's data to customize prices. Your browsing history, your device model, even your location in the terminal, all used to guess what you're willing to pay. Searching luxury hotels? Expect your seat upgrade to quietly get more expensive. This is surveillance pricing. 2 people, 1 item, 2 prices. Because in the airport, everything is part of the game. Action tip: use your mobile data and clear your cookies before browsing. We're only halfway through. If your mind is already blown, subscribe and ring that bell. Secret number 10 is one millions of travelers pay for without realizing they're being tricked. Secret 5. The golden hour boarding gate trap. Because they want you stuck in the central retail hub during your golden hour, that time between security and boarding. You feel slightly anxious, so you stay close and keep shopping. Instead of saying 500 meters to gate C30, signs say 6 minutes. Time feels manageable, so you grab that overpriced coffee. Action tip: check your gate from the Airline app before you even leave for the airport. Secret 6. Big Brother is watching through Wi-Fi. Your phone's signal creates heat maps of where you go, what stores you enter, how long you stay. And yes, that ad for sunglasses? It's no coincidence. Some airports even test surveillance seats with sensors that track devices. You think you're waiting, but you're part of a massive retail experiment. Action tip: turn off Wi-Fi when not in use. Secret 7. The grand illusion of a clean cabin. But here's the truth. Standard turn cleanse take 25-35 minutes. That's just trash collection and surface wipes. Real deep cleaning happens overnight. So why the show? Because a relaxed passenger is a spending passenger. The clean cabin illusion sells comfort and in-flight snacks. Action tip: bring your own disinfectant wipes. Secret 8. The biometric boarding privacy ploy. But it comes at a high price: your identity. Your facial data is stored, shared, and linked with your purchases and travel history. It's marketing gold, and most passengers don't even know how their data is being used. Action tip: opt out. Ask the gate agent to check your ID manually. Secret 9. The boarding group anxiety game. Because airlines created the problem, they charge for checked bags, forcing more carry-ons. Then they use boarding groups to create status anxiety. Late group? You might lose bin space. Solution? Buy early boarding, premium seats, or an airline credit card. The stress is engineered, and they sell you the cure. Action tip: pack light. Use a bag that fits under the seat and skip the panic. Secret 10, the TSA PreCheck upsell. Because the regular line is designed to be miserable. Slow lanes, shoe removal, laptop juggling. Also, you'll pay for the upgrade. It's classic strategy. Create the problem, sell the solution. Millions pay to skip a line that shouldn't be that bad in the first place. Action tip: ask yourself, is it worth it, or are you just playing their game? From the carpet under your feet to the camera scanning your face, the airport is a psychological playground. They turn your stress into sales, your data into dollars. But now, you see the game. Next time you fly, notice the signs. Be aware. Move smarter. Spend less. Have you spotted tricks the airlines use? Drop them in the comments. If this video opened your eyes, smash the like button, subscribe for more, and share it with someone who thinks they've mastered the airport. Travel safe and travel smart.